I'm going to show you how to add your own background to one of my mockups in Photopea. Go to photopea.com in any web browser, and then you would just click on this Open from Computer button and open the mockup off the computer. I already have it open in this tab, so we're going to be doing all our work in this Layers panel right here. So if you don't see the Layers panel, just go to Window and then click on Layers to bring it up. And then you just want to turn off the background layer or layer group by clicking the eye icon in the layer labeled background. And that's going to make the background transparent, and now you can just add your own background. To do that, go to File and then click on Open. And then find your background off the computer. And it'll load for a few seconds. And then just go to Select and click on All, and then Edit, Copy. And then click back on the tab with the mockup, and then go to Edit and click on Paste. And it might put the background in front of some of the other layers. So to fix that, just click on the layer with your new background and drag it to the bottom so it's underneath everything else. And that's all there is to adding your own background to any of my mockups in Photopea. Depending on which mockup you have, you might have a different object like a pillow or a mug here. They all pretty much function the same with a background or background layers you need to turn off first, and then copying and pasting in your own background image. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great night.